Okay, now we have part 3 of our review of the Irish Beer Collection Tasters Pack from Guinness. Now, here we have Harp, the premium Irish lager. As you can see, it's in this shitty little fucking can. I found that rather depressing when I opened up the pack and I saw the two 440 milliliter cans of Guinness and Kilkenny, and then I saw this Harp lager and I was like, what the fuck's going on? Because my liquor store used to carry the big 500 milliliter bottles, and I used to drink that quite a bit. Actually, if you look on my videos, I have a video posted of an Irish stout homebrew which my father made, which he bottles in old Harp bottles that we've collected. And yeah, it's kind of you know, makes my heart sink a little to see it in this little can that looks like a fucking bastard child of Heineken or Kronenberg or some bullshit beer like that. Okay, anyway, can aside. And as you can see, I have my small little glass for it because the Guinness glass definitely wouldn't hold the entire thing. It would just sort of look pathetic. I don't know if there's a widget in this one. I don't think there is. Not enough room for the widget. So we'll just pour this out. Yeah. My pour wasn't very good, so the head might not be quite as impressive as it should be. Okay, so let's just take a look at that. Very nice golden color. The head is, well, if there was a head to it, I'd say it would be quite foamy, not as straight or you know, not as impressive and creamy as Guinness Draft or the Kilkenny Irish Cream Ale, but of course this is a lager, so it's not exactly in the same league as those sorts of beers. So we'll take a smell of it here now. Sort of a sweet bitter smell to it, if you get my drift. Kind of sort of a sweet hoppy bit smell, but hints of bitterness in there, almost a vinegary kind of smell in there, just a little hint of it, but not skunky or anything off-putting. So I'll take a sip of it now, see how it goes. That's quite hoppy for a lager. You don't quite expect that. A bit more robust than what one would expect from a lager. Give that another taste. It's very crisp and refreshing, but lagers aren't particularly, for the most part, aren't particularly complex, like say Guinness or Kilkenny, so you can imagine my disappointment after having both Guinness and Kilkenny one after the other, and then moving here to Harp, which, you know, is a different type of beer. It's on a whole different side of the spectrum, essentially. A nice bitter finish to it, though. It's very crisp and refreshing. Just like I remember it from the bottles, although maybe slightly less interesting than the bottle ones. The bottle ones taste a bit fresher. Yeah, I'd give it about, out of the can, about a 2.5 out of 5. It would definitely be excellent on a summer day, served really cold. I mean, that way you don't really care about the complexity or lack thereof of complexities. You just want something really cool and refreshing and crisp to taste, and that's definitely what Harp Premium Lager is. Yeah, so Harp Premium Irish Lager, 2.5 out of 5. It's definitely a decent beer. It's probably better than most of the regular commercial lagers you'll find out there, but it's nothing exceptionally exciting.